Hello and welcome. This is another video here. This is a little bit different than what you normally get, but this is very exciting. In fact, it's very appropriate. It's all about productivity and how you can create much better engagement with your Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, etc. And I just wanted to show you this tool and also a way for you to get access to this tool. It is free, and let's just go ahead and explore this. So I call this the AI Marketing Suite. It's a high converting Facebook ads generator, but also for creating landing pages and professional spokespersons with AI and automatic video generation. So this came about. We deal with coaches, consultants, experts, primarily in our business. And when it comes to developing copy, we like to show many different iterations, possibilities, opportunities, but also allow the client themselves, the clients, to actually generate this, to get ideation going, as well as a compilation of a series of ads that can actually become production ready. So I call this the AI Marketing Suite, as I mentioned, and I have pre-populated some information here, so I won't bore you with that. But we have some input parameters here. And so what we do is we simply input that on the left side of the pane here, the left pane. Here we're talking about a specific product or service. This would be what you would be offering here as the name. And then what the description is of the particular product or service, who the target audience is. And again, I've been very limited in text here. I haven't put in a lot of variables so that you can see how well this AI trained model works. They are feeling overwhelmed. The action goal here is to sign up for a webinar. And then also we're using the 5 levels of awareness from Mr. Schwartz and Breakthrough Advertising, because all ads are not the same. Obviously, there's a different flow based on where they're at in the funnel. Fast training in 30 days. Only 20 spots left. Credibility. Helped lots of clients. You can write better than this, right? But anyway, here we get the input parameters done. Form completion. Then we hit generate. And then it makes this copy directly. And it starts with a question, which is always great for any ad copy. It's a psychological trigger. Are you an entrepreneur drowning in deadlines and to-do lists? So we're talking about productivity here. And it goes on to talk about that. It uses emojis in here. We have another product, by the way, which is also free, where we show you the top 100 emojis that are being used or should be used inside a coaching, consulting, and expert business. I'll give you access to that as well below this video. And here we get a preview of the landing page, and you actually get the code here. So all of this code is being built. And you can take this and implement it directly into your CRM system. And often we'll take this code and just put it straight into Go High Level. We tie it in. The only change we make here is we actually take the integration copy of the Go High Level form and paste it into here. And then boom, we got ourselves a nice landing page. But here's the exciting thing. We actually connect to the back end of HeyGen and we create this video. So let's take a listen here. This is an avatar that's custom made for me by uploading a video where I train HeyGen to basically act and be like me. And then the script gets passed through to the API, and then off we go. So let's take a listen.
Cycle. Introducing FitFuel Protein Shake, your speedy solution to weight loss and increased energy. In just 30 days, you can transform your routine and reclaim your vitality. Here's what you'll gain. Simplified nutrition tailored for your busy lifestyle, boosted energy levels to tackle your day with confidence, a healthier you, ready to conquer every challenge. But here's the catch. We only have 20 spots left for our exclusive webinar where we'll dive deeper into achieving your wellness goals. Don't miss your chance to learn how FitFuel can change your life. Click to secure your spot now. Your future self will thank you.
So essentially, it reads the entire copy. It builds the video automatically for you. And here's the exciting part. This is me, but we can actually capture about 2 to 3 minutes of your video, which has to be very clear, very specific to camera. We'll upload it to the back end, and we'll make a version of this for you. And you can actually create this and have you be the spokesperson automatically and then generate this. So I wanted to share this with you because not only is this a high value productivity tool, but it's free, and the link underneath is where you need to access it. But also, this is only the beginning, guys and gals. We have big plans for this in terms of expanding it, but also make it more available through integrations. For instance, uploading it directly through the to the Facebook Ads Manager APIs, and literally you can, within minutes, I'll say under 10 minutes, because the video takes a little moment to generate, and especially if it's a longer copy. So under 10 minutes, create all the inputs, create the copy, create the landing page, paste it into your CRM, Go High Level, what have you, and then ultimately leverage your video and start testing. Another piece of this would be to actually capture output from the reporting. That's another version in the future. But for now, I just wanted to share this with you. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below this video. Thumbs up if you like this and if you want me to do more of this, and also how we create these things. This is into the area of vibe coding, which, if you're not familiar, is the rage right now. But there's a lot of complexity to it, even though it's easy at the surface. Anyway, I think I've spoken enough now, so let's call this, and I'll talk at you later.